So I wanted to do a really quick haul because we ran around to like a few different stores. So I have a mix of stuff from Michael's, Dollar Tree. Yeah, right?
Home Goods.
Home Goods, but did I get anything I can show? Oh, I got one thing. You got that for me? The egg thing?
Yes.
It's gonna be kind of a really fast haul because we got like stuff that we want to do, our planners and stuff. And the lighting is terrible. Oh, she's in your room walking around and crying. Anyway, so I'm gonna try to be fast. Michael's, we got a ton of stuff because we had a really good coupon. It was like, what, the 30% off of your entire purchase. And they had a ton of stuff that was like marked down. So we got some of these papers. This is just like a silver paper, but it's like a glitter, but like it's not super textury. I guess I can say this is mainly like stuff for planners. Look at that glare. Can you see it from here? From there? The glare makes me uncomfortable. She said, don't talk to me. This one doesn't have it on there, but I'm pretty sure this was 67 cents, right? Don't talk to me. So we both got those papers. And then we got this other paper. I don't think it's really gonna show up because my camera is not. This one isn't like the best, but you can kind of see it's got like a texture to it. So this is more of like a weird texture. It's not glitter. I don't know. But this one again was marked down to 67 cents from like $2 for this scrapbook paper. Cool. Got a ton of stickers that actually some of this stuff was gifts from the Madre who's that she had here that she and my sister, I guess, picked up for me. Yeah. Some of this stuff is hers too, so I'm probably gonna mention it, but like it's not mine. First thing I got is just this is the Wonton in a Million clear sticker books. I think this is one of their like new releases from that collab. This is super cute. I need like, I told my mom, I was like, I need 75 of these books. This one kind of like fell apart a little bit, but it's still like intact. They just got like these clear stickers in there, but they're like super mini small. This one's really cute. I was really lucky to find like one of each except for the Shine Sticker Studio, which I'm really sad about. I got that one from Wonton a Million and also got that same version from the Sweet Kawaii Design. So this is their version of these clear stickers. It's literally just a book of like really mini clear stickers. So it looks like you get 2 pages of each, I think, but these are super cute. I can't. Oh, and I really love though how it's got the letters. It's got like a full page of clear letters and they're really small. These are gonna be great for doing like your tabs. That's what I love using those for. And then I thought this was the Shine sticker version of those clear stickers, but I didn't read it. So this is the monthly stickers, but I really did want this. She had already got this for me, so oops, that was my bad. My phone died in the store, so I didn't know what I had already gotten, but she's gonna keep the one. But this is their, oh, there's a kitty out here. This is the monthly sticker book. And this one, usually I get like 5 of each of these sticker books, like no lie. When I find sticker books of these collabs that I like, I get like all of them that I can find, but I think I only need 1 of these. Because I know my mom wants to laminate them and I'll probably laminate them too. I just don't feel like I need a million of those. I have a few that are the same things. She had picked me up another one of the Shine Sticker Studio because they're actually my favorite of these collabs, not gonna lie. It just says the sticker book, but this is like the collection of it. I think I have like 3 of these books now, but I really, really like these for these, but also because it's got some like weather type ones in it. Got the like weather type ones that are really, really cute. I didn't realize that they have like multiple ones of their, what is this? The weekly sticker kit. So I have 2 of the similar ones. They look like this. Look, I haven't even opened this one all the way yet. It's like still creasing. So there's just a few of what they look like. So this is like for like a weekly spread. Now I have everything like matchy-matchy. These are super cute. I just love like how they have like their little glitter, like hollow glitter parts. This is the same one, so don't need to show it again. Another one of the weekly books. I mean, I feel like I need to like show everything, but like there's that. I'm trying to be fast. So here's another sticker book from the Shine Sticker Studio. This is just one. It doesn't have like a specific name, but so these are nice too. I don't know, I just like their illustrations kind of the best. I just think they're more my aesthetic than the other ones. The Wonton a Million one though is my second favorite. Just the Sweet Kawaii Design ones are cute. I would just prefer the other ones. Since they all do similar like booklets too. It's like, have you noticed that with these? I don't understand why they didn't all pick something else to do, because then it's like I would have wanted them all. But now it's like I can choose my favorite brand. But like they're all super cute, so it's hard, but like shine stickers. So, you know, has my heart a little bit with these stickers. But so this is the Sweet Kawaii design ones. Still super cute, a little bit more vibrant. I feel like the other ones are a little bit more pastel-y, if that matters. And then my mom had gotten me some of these inserts. These are super cute. I actually wanted to get these from Michael's like when I was there a few weeks ago, but I was just getting too much other stuff. So she surprised me with that, so I'm very happy. This was the label from those inserts. That's the brand or whatever. She got me these stickers, which she said she didn't know where she got them. I feel like this kind of looks like it's from Dollar Tree, not gonna lie. But I've never seen it there. I don't know where she got that from. She got me these, like they're like the magnetic, like what are these called? Page markers? These are super cute and they match those stickers. They actually match probably one of my planners, so I'm gonna have to look at that because I think it matches one of the entire setups that I did. What?
Chick Sparrow.
How do you know what I have?
Because I gave it to you.
My sister had grabbed this for me a while ago. It's just a bottle opener, but I'm like, I love cacti and succulents, so anything like that I like. And then from Dollar Tree, because like I said, it's kind of a mix of everything, I just picked up some Hello Kitty stickers. I try to get Hello Kitty stuff for like my planner whenever I can, really, just because it's cute. Mom, obviously, because I love succulents and cacti, she got me one of these from Dollar Tree. These are actually the sunglass cases, but I feel like you can put pens in here, yeah? Is that why you got it? Yeah, so I'll probably use it as a pen pouch because that's super cute. And then my mom was looking for these. This is the gel pen, but it's got the donut at the top and she got it in orange. She already opened hers, so she is like a bright neon orange. So here's hers. Did you try to write with it yet? So she got the orange one and I got the green ones. There you go. And then I had to get some of these because they were marked down and because they fit perfectly over my Chic Sparrow little mini baby ones. Nano. Oh, we heard you talk. You were talking. This is originally $4. They marked them down to only like $2. Yeah, $1.97. So the one that's missing is on my little Chic Sparrow Nano, which is inside this little Sanrio plastic cover, which is super cute. Matches perfectly and it's glitter. Had to have it. This I want to mention because these are super cute. They had back there in the clearance section these huge papers, and I can't believe I've never noticed these before though, because these are actually amazing. It's the Galaxy Glitz paper pad. I chose, I think there was maybe one or two other like colorways of these things, but these were just my favorite ones. This is the Slick Glitter paper pad. So this one, it's paper, but it's got like a texture to it, first off. And it's like a plastic paper. Like, what even is this? This is like high quality paper. And the fact that like, there's not many sheets in here, but I mean, I feel like you don't need 100 sheets of this anyways. Yeah, this has like green, blue. Oh, I'm talking super loud now because the AC went down. It's got like a pink, fuchsia color, I think-ish. Yeah, if I'm kind of showing that. But this was originally $5, got it marked down to $2. Same price for this one. This one's a little bit different because this is the glitter. But what I really like about this is it's glitter, but like it has like a flat plastic overlay. It's not like the actual, like you don't feel it and feel the glitter. You feel it and feel smooth. Like what? This book has the gold. Don't talk. Pink, there's a blue, silver. She picked up this book, but I think she might give me a few pages out of it. This was from the Dollar Tree, but this is super cute. She picked this up because the pages in it are actually really cute. So it's got a few like decorative pages in here and then just note pages, but it's nice, it's cute, you know, that's hers. At Michael's, I had to get these. I was like, Mom, did you want any highlighters? And she was like, no. And I was like, well, can I get some highlighters? So I got these little ice cream highlighters. This was like from the actual like kids section of like, or like the teachers, but you know it's for like kindergartners. But obviously I think they're cute. These are $3 a piece. Kind of expensive for what they are, but we had 30% off your entire purchase. So, you know, this has like the classic neon colors, and then this one has like pastels and they're like ice cream cones. Super cute. I left this like in the packaging still because I want to show the price. So like I said, these are the $3, but I don't know how this works. Oh man, I'm scared. Is this actual highlighter? Cute. So the little stick is the lid. And my mom is not gonna tell me she wants one later on. And then in that same section, I had to get these little mini like gel pens. Is that what these are? Oh no, these are just regular pens. But I like that they're super, super tiny, especially now because I've been looking at like pocket size planners. So I'm just like super mini pens are like what I like. And if you, it's like sometimes when you have like a really, really small purse, you know, but you want to put a pen in there just in case, these work. So $3, again, kind of pricey for what they are. I feel like it's something you could find at the dollar store for $1, but I'm not gonna get mad at it. My mom picked out these little like Martha Stewart like confetti things, but I think these are perfect to make like the jelly dashboards also, so I'm probably gonna steal like all these from her. I think these were kind of pricey though. How much were these? Like $5 for this packet? I mean, there's a lot in here, but like, it's just little confettis. But they had a ton of different colorways and stuff of these, so that was cute. My mom got a ton of these little, what even are these? Iron-on trims, but she's smart. So she was like, you can just like glue it onto your stuff. So she got like a few of these, and that's like a little meshy type look. Something really cute. Oh, I heard it. Oh, the paint came out of one. My mom made these really cute things that I think she saw somewhere on the interweb. It's a little like Altoid case, but it's made into a little watercolor set. And then what they're in, like the colors, the paints, are inside seashells. Oh. They have magnets on it, so it's like, it stays in there. So that was cute.
Make sure you pick up the paint.
I did. And then we got stickers from Dollar Tree. These ones are really cute. My mom was like, at first, I think she was trying to not buy them, but I was like, but they have succulents. So I'm getting one. These are just the metallic foil stickers. I think she wants to make some into, what do you want to make, paper clips? Because she got these ones for herself. She'll probably not take any of my succulents. She also got these like travel planner stickers from the dollar store. And then she also found these ones because she likes that oceanness, and it's summertime, so I guess that's cute. She found some of these. Do you realize these are all smiley faces?
No, I didn't realize.
I think it's to like track your mood and stuff, right? Well,
the quality of the day?
Yeah, well, I guess every day is a smiley day.
I didn't know that.
I just noticed it. She also got these like little stampy stamps from Little Michaels, but I like that. I don't know, I just feel like they're gonna be easier to use in your hand, so because they're not like super teeny tinies. These are just the Recollections brand cork stamps.
Plus they have different.
Oh, and those were emojis.
They have
so that actually has the different faces, so she can use that instead of her stickers. At the dollar store, she found these for me because she knows I love Harry Potter. These are just iron-on, what's it called? Patches? Ooh, wow, this is like, that's like, what's it called? Qualite for dollar store. The 2020 calendars are coming out. So my mom had to pick up some of these because like usually they have really good size full year planners or whatever that you can put inside of, she's got Chic Sparrow. So they fit perfectly in her Chic Sparrows, which I mean, I'm sure they fit perfectly in a lot of different planners. She also found this little guy, the dollar store, Dollar Tree. It's just a planner. It starts August 2019 and goes through 2020. So I guess it goes through December 2020. Does anyone care about that one? The dollar store, she also got one of these little pouches. I don't know why she got this, but she did. I got one of these folders because I've mentioned it before. I love getting these like plastic folders from the dollar store because I actually cut these up and use them for dashboards or like dividers in my planner. My mom got me this really cute purple pen with like this little butterfly. I have a purple Chic Sparrow, so that's what she was trying to match it to, but that actually matches another one of my planners that I have set up. So also from the Dollar Tree, I mentioned it in a different video of mine that I found the perfect container. Oh, this is from Michaels, I lied. But I found a perfect container for my PMD, personal microdermabrasion base tool. But the little heads, the discs, the replacement discs needed something also, so I'm pretty sure they'll fit perfectly in this and then it'll fit perfectly inside that container. This is from Michaels, it was like $1. Also from Michaels that I'm super excited about, these cactus pens. These are cute. These are $4 for the set, but you're getting 4 pens in here, so it's like $1 a piece. And we have the 30% off your entire purchase. Each one looks different. So we've got this dark green one with like the pink, and then I guess the pen is down here. Oh, that's not right. How does this work? Oh, God. Wait, am I supposed to turn this around? I'm gonna have to test these out. and see how they write, because they might just be decoration. But even if they're just decoration, I won't be
They're
mad.
childproof, so you can't use it.
It's funny because somebody's talking in my video when they were like, don't talk to me. Here's this one. It's like a light green with the little yellow flower at the top. Ooh, and like a neon. Oh, I guess it's the same green. No, it's like a yellowy neon green with the pink. And then lastly, you got this green, darker green with the yellow. Oh, this one, they look different. This one looks diferente. I'm excited about those pens. We got some tabs because I saw someone use these as like their actual tabs. They just cut it in like a round shape. And I guess my mom does that too, and I'm just late to the game, so we got some of those. They had vellum envelopes. I literally think I just added vellum envelopes to a list on my Amazon, not gonna lie. So we found those there and they were in a clearance bin. And then we got, oh no, I guess we didn't get 30% off that though, huh? But whatever, it was on sale. We got some, oh, $1.97 for those. But how many is in there, 10?
It might need 4 envelopes and 4 papers.
Oh, I didn't realize there was papers in there too. I thought it was just the envelopes. So 8 envelopes for $2 and they're vellum. We found this origami paper. I think this is going to my sister. This has got gold and silver with white threads. I don't know what that means, but that was $2. I'm trying to be fast too because this has been going on for a long time. So we found these books. I found these books for my mom in the kids section, that like teacher section for like the little kids, the little kindergartners. But it's like primary colors books. And she has like one of those big paper cutters, so she can easily cut this down to whatever size she wants. We found some little mini stamps. So I think we each got a set of these because these have like the days of the week. So it's got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, whatever.
Abbreviation.
There's yours. It's funny, now somebody wants to talk. And then she picked up this stamp, which is cute. The gem of the entire purchase, a ton of laminating pouches. The only thing is, I'm really confused at like, cause I've bought laminating pouches before. Whenever you buy laminating pouches, it tells you the thickness, but this one does not. This just gives you the measurement, which is still confusing because most pouches are always this size. They're always like a full page paper size. So why do they need to tell me that? I think someone should have got fired that day because they put the wrong thing. They were probably like, you need to put the measurement in the corner. And someone was like, what do you mean the measurement? And they were like, just put the measurement of the pouches in the corner. So they measured the pouches length and width and put that's not correct. There's the 5 mil or the 3 mil, like for thickness. And I even tried to Google and look through comments and like no one mentioned that. So I'm just like, we don't know what thickness this is because someone should have got fired. But so that was a pretty good deal. We got like, I think we used a 50% off coupon on that. And on top of that, we got the 30% off of your entire purchase off regular price items. So that was a pretty good price. It's funny because I mentioned that I needed another one of these egg containers, but I wanted one that matched exactly the one that I already have in my fridge. And I managed to find this one at Home Goods. So this one was marked down to only $5, which I think I saved like $1.99. But a savings is a savings. And then my mom got some of these plastic organizers. So just like the little mini fridge organizers, but I think she's gonna use it for her crafts. This one was marked down to $3, but I really like the size of that one. And then she got this large one that I'm pretty sure she's also gonna use on her desk for all of her planner stuff. So that's nice. Oh, I think this is a drawer organizer. That's what it says. But this one was marked down to $8. So she got those. Did you want these with you right now? And then I found this for her. It's this like bread box, but it's super cute. How does this even open? Did you open it? But this was marked down to $10. How much do we think it was before? Are you gonna guess? I can't tell. It says compare at $19.99, so that's obviously not the price. So it's probably $14.99. There you go. That's everything.
Bye.
Basically. Rude. Okay, bye.